Hello guys and welcome to my video. Today I'll be talking about something which has been around for a while on Facebook. It's been around for almost a year on Facebook, but a lot of people still do not know about it because I noticed that some time ago I was talking to a friend and he was complaining about, oh, I didn't know how to get this ad. I didn't know how to get a sample of this ad. I told him most big marketers are always running adverts. Most big internet marketers, most big businesses are always running ad. So here is a simple trick which I do. If you want to be able to see what they do, you can simply go to their Facebook and copy whatever ad they are running and replicate the ad for your business if that's what you want to, or copy their ad, tweak it, see how it works, or just see all the ads they are running and pick if you want to buy something. If you're actually shopping for a product or a service or a training, you could easily just go on the Facebook and find it, but this is something a lot of people don't know yet. So I'll be going to the Facebook page of one of my favorite internet marketer. She does trainings. I hope she has some ads running. So it's as simple as once you search her page, once you search the page of whoever it is, whatever business it is, trust me, this is just simple, straightforward. It's something a lot of people don't know, but it's the future that Facebook added for advert transparency on their platform, because I think they want to be able to give people a fair chance and also let people know what kind of ads that are being run to them. So once you open the page of whatever business it is, be it an online store, be it a personal page, you have this somewhere there, the info and ads. So on the info and ad section, all you need to do is click on the info and ad section. You're going to see a ton of whatever ad they are running. If they're running 5 ads, you'll be able to see it. You can change your location by using this, but first of all, you will see all the ads they are running that you can see in your location. So because I'm in Nigeria, I can see all the ads she's running that someone in Nigeria can see. If you're in another country that she's not running ads to, when you come here, it will be blank. You don't see anything. But if it's your country is covered in the series of ads the page has run at that time. I keep saying sorry about that. If your country is part of the country she selected, or the region she selected for the ad is selected for that page, you would see there. So you can see the right here, you are seeing that Amy Porterfield is running in. You can see the ad that Amy Porterfield is currently running in the selected location. Choose a different location from the list to see the ad this page is running there. So you can choose whatever country you want. And if you don't see any ad here, there's a button you can click to see ad they are running nationwide. Worldwide, like wherever you are. So let me go to this other lady, and that's my favorite marketer. So now I'm on Melissa Griffin's page. She's also another of my favorite personalities online. You can see info and ads, and once you get to the page, all you need to do is click info and ads, and you can see Melissa doesn't have any ad running in my location because she's not targeting people in Nigeria for her service for some reason. I don't know, but it's still cool. All you need to do is click here, and since she's in the US, you could choose United States, or still you could pick global ads. So when you pick global ads, you see the ads that they are running worldwide. So when you're on global ads, every ad they have running at that current time on their page will show up. So if you want to copy ad from a big company like Walmart, or you want to copy ad from AliExpress or Alibaba or Amazon or eBay, this is the simple trick nobody is talking about in 2019. But trust me, with this, you have a bigger transparency. You can see whatever they're doing. If you want to get an ongoing promo, you still see here. You want a free workshop, you want a free service they're rendering, they're probably running in your ads. So this is good for both those who are trying to buy something and those who are trying to sell something. So This is the best way to copy someone else's ad in 2019 and kill it big. And if you're watching this video after 2019, I bet this will still be a relevant future on Facebook. So all you need to do is just click info and ads and you see all you need to see. So thank you for watching my video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click the subscribe button on the top, on the bottom right of this video screen. So subscribe and watch out, because I'll be dropping a lot of free articles, free videos that's going to show you things you need to do to get your online marketing to another level. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you again. Peace.